Most of us know that Pennsylvania has a long history of mining. What many don't know is that these abundant mines still affect us today. When water flows through these old coal mines, it reacts with a mineral called pyrite and generates something known as acid mine drainage or AMD. This bright orange color water has polluted more than 50,000 miles of streams in Pennsylvania alone and is a major environmental concern. But here is the surprising part. As this acidic water flows through rocks, it also dissolves critical minerals, such as rare earth elements as shown here. These elements are vital for energy transition, electric vehicles, and advanced defense systems. Yet, the United States is heavily reliant on imports for these elements, which is why they are classified as critical minerals for US. Instead of looking at AMD only as a source of pollution, my research at Center for Critical Minerals at Penn State asks a different question. What if we could clean up AMD and recover valuable critical minerals at the same time? Our research group already has a process to recover and produce mixed rare earth concentrate from AMD. But industries need individual rare earth elements for different applications, and separating West mixed rare earth concentrate into individual rare earth elements is very challenging due to their similar chemical properties. That's where my research comes in. I'm trying to separate this mixed rare earth concentrate into light and heavy rare earth fractions using a complexing agent known as EDTA. EDTA is known to have difference in complexation ability between light and heavy rare earth elements, and I'm using that difference to selectively separate them. In my process, the step one is I absorb all the rare earth elements onto the column, both heavy and light rare earth elements. And in the second step, I pass a solution containing EDTA and which recovers heavy rare earth elements selectively while leaving light rare earths on the column. With this process, like just with two stages, I was able to recover over 90% of heavy rare earth elements with over 90% purity. Compared to traditional purification techniques, this method requires fewer stages, uses less chemicals, and EDTA and the resin are easy to regenerate and reuse, thus making this process more economical and sustainable. Overall, this research has a potential to treat acid mine drainage, recover rare earth elements, and help build a domestic supply of critical minerals